Have you ever tried to propagate lemon trees in a unique way? Today, we'll show you how to propagate lemon trees effectively using an unexpected ingredient, tomatoes, with a simple gardening method that anyone can do at home. Hello. Today, we are sharing the latest breeding methods for lemon branches. Friends who like gardening must read it carefully. This is a ripe, healthy lemon shoot. Split in two with round-wing scissors. Flatten the incision out. Please bring out today's protagonist, tomatoes. Peel off the skin to reveal the pulp inside. Cut down and insert into the tomatoes. This is river sand prepared in advance. Dig a hole. Bury the tomatoes with the lemon juice. Water to keep moist. The first watering must be thorough. Add a protective cover to moisturize. 30 days have passed. Open it and see the growth inside. On the bare branches. With new branches and shoots. "50 days later, continued good growth. The leaves are bigger and greener. And finally, root development. The roots that extend in all directions are very strong. Another lemon tree successfully propagated. Go ahead and put it in a pot. Looking forward to his early results. Did you learn today's video? If you like it, remember to follow, retweets, and likes. Thanks for watching. See you next time.